Hello, karibu sana. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make delicious homemade chips masala fries. If you're stopping by for the first time, please consider subscribing, turn on your post notification, and let's get started. The first step is to prepare your potato fries. You can either deep fry them like I am doing, air frying, baking them in the oven. That is just according to your preference, and once they're done, set them aside. The exact measurements for the ingredients that I'll be using, they will be on the description box, but I have onion, garlic and ginger, tomato paste, ketchup, curry powder, cumin, paprika, black pepper, and of course some salt to taste, which I'll be using later on. Next, on medium-high heat, add your oil into your pan or sufuria and go ahead to put in your onions and let's fry them until they are translucent. Please don't let your onions burn because you don't want bitter chips masala. Once that is done, you're going to add in your garlic and ginger paste and fry them as well. The next step is adding your spices. You can either put them after adding the tomato paste and ketchup, but the reason why I add spices first is to help cook and release those beautiful flavors, and that's the importance of just cooking the spices first, and you'll tell the difference on the aroma of your chips masala and even the flavor itself. After almost a minute, go ahead to add in the ketchup and tomato paste. After that, go ahead to add in just a little bit of water, first of all, to cook and simmer all these spices together with the sauce that we will be coating with the fries. And also, we don't want it to be very runny because we want our masala fries to be evenly coated, and you can see the texture, it's very thick. So I'm going to cover it and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Once 2 to 3 minutes are done and the sauce has cooked and you can see it's still thick and enough to coat the fries, go ahead to add your fries, add some little salt to it as well to taste, and gently coat the fries. So you need something like a wooden spoon to just gently do this so that you don't end up breaking your fries or they end up being mashed. As you can see, the fries have been coated really well, and the fries are done, the sauce was done. So basically it's just to finish this up, and you're going to add some coriander to it and as well evenly coat it and also very gently. Basically, that's it. The chips masala are done that quick, that fast, and they're so delicious, and the aroma is to die for. I also highly recommend serve your chips masala when they're still hot. You can squeeze a little bit of lemon, which also help release those flavors even more. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Till next time, bye bye.